Here are the codes for December 2025 using Dr. Rosenthal's multiple choice questions that are accessible through Wayground using the codes that you'll see on the next screen. The codes, they will expire monthly, so a month from today, that means the codes will expire on the 3rd or 4th. So if you have any questions about how to use the Wayground codes, there also are videos that I will put in the description below that'll help you with that. So once again, happy studying. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. It helps my channel to go to other people and spread awareness about the free access study materials. Isn't this background kind of cute? Like it's so like just plain, like chill, earthy vibes. Anyway, so here are the codes for Dr. Rosenthal. So if you want to test yourself in human growth, council helping, social and cultural factors, so forth, you would enter the code related to that subject topic, put those codes into the Wayground app where you would enter the code to join game, and then ta-da, you have access to play the game where you can pause and come back to it. It's not timed, and you can take it as many times as you would like to within the month before it expires, and then new codes are presented. So happy studying.